Hi, Mr. Unkert here, and in this video, I'm going to look at creating some special colors based off of text editors. Okay, so I'm doing this one again in Notepad++, but I've also opened VS Code, and I have a theme called, let's see, Material Dark, I believe, is the theme. So I'm going to get my snipping tool. I'm going to open that. I'm going to do a new snip. And I'm going to get a bunch of colors here and save this as material. And I could call it, let's call it material VS Code. And we'll just save it on the desktop for now, and then we'll close it. Okay. Now I found this website, and we're going to try it out. So I'm going to upload my image, and I'm going to go to the desktop. And material VS Code, and we're going to hover over certain parts. Oh, these ads, not really. Okay, so this is going to give me some of the material colors, and it gives me the hex code. So this is F07171. Okay, so I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to start to define some colors. All right, so we're going to do, we'll just call this VS Code Material Red. And I'm going to define the color, and the color is going to be, well, that color I copied. So the hashtag F07171. And then you have a semicolon after that, okay? So now I've got some of that color. Now let's go back to the website and pick some other colors. We're going to hover over and trying to find purple. Okay, there we go. So we got C489D4. Copy that. And we'll call this class VS Code Material Purple. Okay, and the color is going to be this this color. Okay, so we've got our purple, and let's do the green. Okay, that's this color, this A6DB87. Okay, so let's define that. VS Code Material green, and that color is going to be this one. Okay, and then let's do, we did the purple, we did the red, let's get the white for sure. You can almost get it to the pixel here. Okay, here's the kind of white color. It's not fully white, so we're going to do a class called VS Code Material White, and that color is going to be this one that I copied. Okay, and then let's also do the background, because it's not fully black either. Full black is 000. This is 212121. So we're going to VS Code Material Black. And color is going to be this color. Okay, so we've got some styles there. Let's do another paragraph, and let's give it a class. And we'll give the class, and we want a background color here. So we're going to do background, because the black is the background color. So we'll do background color that way. So we'll do the class of VS Code Material Black. Okay, and then within that, let's do a math equation. So let's do a span with a class of VS Code Material White. It gives us that. Let's pick that. And we'll do X. and then we'll do a superscript with a class of VS Code material red. Let's pick that. Okay. And we'll do that as x squared. And then we'll have minus. Well, we're going to do the minus in the color too. So we'll do a span class equals VS Code material white. We'll do minus and then X. And then we'll do a superscript. And then we'll do actually minus X plus, and then we'll do another span with a class of VS Code material green. And we'll just do plus like 2. Okay. And I also am going to put some style in here with just a padding of 15 pixels because we didn't really define that above. So it's getting a little messy with that, but all right. All right, so now we see this, and let's actually make the font size a bit larger. So we'll put that in this special style here. We really should do this in a style sheet, but we're not. All right, so make it a little bit bigger. So now we've got some text editor colors. Make it even maybe even a bit bigger. Let's just do 2. Do a big math equation. So this is a kind of cool way you can make your math equations look like your favorite text editor. So I picked VS Code, but I could also go into Notepad, and this is Zenburn, this theme I'm using here in Notepad. But I could go into Atom and use Atom's dark theme, which is pretty cool. It has some cool purples with it. So if you want to style your website in a way that looks like a text editor, you can do that. In fact, I kind of restyled precalcgenius.com that way. It's got a material theme to it. So this is a kind of cool way just to make your website stand out from the rest. Just take a look at some text editor colors, use a color picker online, figure out what they are, define the classes, and make, in this case, I'm making math equations look pretty cool, but you can make any kind of text look pretty cool. And that's not an equation, that's an expression. So sorry, I didn't mean to say equation. It's an expression. Anyways, thank you for watching and have a great evening.